Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're curious about cryptocurrency trading but feel totally lost about where to begin, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, we're diving into a complete beginner-friendly guide on how to start crypto trading, step by step, no confusing jargon, just real talk, simple explanations, and practical tips. So if you've ever asked, how do I trade crypto? This video is for you. How to start crypto trading, complete beginner's guide. 1. What is crypto trading? Crypto trading simply means buying and selling cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and thousands of others in order to make a profit. Just like you buy a product at a low price and sell it at a higher price to earn, trading crypto follows the same idea. You buy a coin at a low price and sell it when the price goes up. But unlike traditional stock markets that open and close each day, the crypto market never sleeps. It's open 24/7, 365 days a year. 2. Before you start, learn the basics. Before you jump in and start investing your hard-earned money, it's absolutely essential to understand some crypto basics. You don't need to be a tech genius, but having a solid foundation will save you from costly mistakes. Here are some things you should definitely learn first. What is blockchain technology? How does Bitcoin work? What are altcoins? What are crypto wallets? What's the difference between a hot wallet and a cold wallet? What is risk management in trading? You'll find tons of free resources online, YouTube tutorials, blogs, beginner courses, and even forums like Reddit and Twitter, where traders share insights every day. 3. Choosing the right crypto exchange. Once you're confident with the basics, your next step is choosing the right crypto exchange. This is the platform where you'll actually buy, sell, and trade your cryptocurrencies. Popular exchanges include Binance, the world's largest exchange, WazirX and CoinDCX, trusted platforms in Asia. Coinbase, beginner-friendly especially in the US KuCoin, offers a wide range of altcoins. When selecting an exchange, check for these things. Is the platform secure? What are the trading fees? Does it have a mobile app? Is it easy to deposit and withdraw money? Once you sign up, you'll need to complete KYC verification, which means uploading your ID documents and a selfie. It usually takes just a few hours to get approved. Logos of exchanges, step by step. Account creation visuals 4. Funding your account. Now it's time to add funds to your trading account. Most exchanges let you deposit money using UPI, net banking, or credit debit cards, depending on your region. Quick tip: always start small. Even 500 rupees or $10 is enough to begin learning and practicing. Making your first trade. Let's walk through a simple example of how a first trade might look. Suppose Bitcoin is priced at 40 lakh rupees. You deposit 1,000 rupees and buy a tiny fraction of Bitcoin, around 0.00025 Bitcoin. Now, if the price of Bitcoin rises to 42 lakh rupees and you decide to sell, you make a small profit, minus trading fees. And that's your first trade. You can start by buying stable coins like USDT or invest in top projects like Ethereum, Solana, or Polygon. Just make sure to do your research before buying any coin. BTC chart moving up, user buying, selling animation. 6. Types of trading, styles. There are different ways to trade crypto, depending on your style and availability. Day trading, buy and sell multiple times a day. Swing trading, hold coins for a few days or weeks. Scalping, quick trades for small profits, multiple times a day. HODLing, long-term investing based on future growth. If you're just starting out, swing trading or holding may be less stressful and safer. Risk management. Crypto trading comes with risk, so protecting your money is just as important as growing it. Here's how to manage risk. Always use a stop-loss order. This automatically sells your coin if it drops below a certain price. Don't invest more than 5 to 10% of your total capital in one coin. Diversify. Don't put all your money in one place. Stay updated on news, because crypto prices react fast to events. Red and green candle charts, warning icons, diversification will avoid scams. Crypto is exciting, but it's also full of scams. Beware of Telegram groups offering guaranteed profit, fake investment schemes. Unknown people asking for your wallet keys or login info. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stick to verified sources and never share your private keys with anyone. Tools for smarter trading. To trade like a pro, use tools like CoinMarketCap, track all crypto prices, TradingView for detailed chart analysis, CryptoPanic, get real-time crypto news, portfolio trackers, monitor your investments. These tools will help you analyze trends and make more informed trading decisions. Practice, patience, and progress. Finally, be patient. Crypto trading isn't a race. Start small, track your progress, learn from mistakes, and gradually increase your trades. Practice with small amounts. Study coin performance, keep emotions in check. Follow your own plan, not the hype. The more you trade, the better you'll understand the market. And there you have it, your full beginner's guide to starting crypto trading. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance and crypto content every day. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I read every one of them. Until next time, trade smart, stay curious, and keep learning.